So the hard drive in my iMac bust last night. So I found some guides online. I'm going to try and replace it. Hopefully this will go well and I'll be able to help some more people out. So first of all, I need to take the front off, which is just held on by magnets. So you use 2 suction cups and pull it free. Next, once we've taken the screen out, we need to remove all the screws so we can take off the front panel. There's one on the bottom where the RAM goes. I'm not quite sure if this one has to come off, but a couple of guys told me it did and a couple told me it didn't, so I'm going to take it off anyway. It's only one Phillips screw holding it in. The rest of the screws around the screen are star screws. They take a T9 screwdriver. I think the most important thing is remembering where all these screws go. This should just pull apart from the bottom. It just doesn't seem to be moving. So it turns out the screen needs to be pulled apart from the top, not from the bottom. So the iSight camera is attached by a little tiny plug that just clips away, and then we can see part of the inside and the LCD screen. Now I need to remove the screws from around the edge of the LCD screen. So with all the screws removed, you'll be able to lift up the LCD screen and find out where the cables are on the back of it. So there seems to be 2 cables holding it on the top right of the screen. And then 2 cables on the bottom and the screen ribbon. So I don't really want to remove the ribbon from the LCD screen because it looks quite tricky. It might be simple, but I don't want to take that chance. So I'm going to remove the plugs from the top. I've marked the 2 of them so I know which one goes back where. So the screen's still attached. So I've got the screen propped up and there's the hard drive right there. The hard drive's held in with a clip which you just pop out. has some wires taped to the top of it which aren't actually connected to anything, but I shall retape them to the top of the replacement hard drive. You need to pull out the power and the SATA cable, and there's the hard drive removed. I'll now remove that. With the right screwdriver. And there's the clip removed from the top. This is the old dead drive. So this is the new hard drive I'm going to be replacing it with. It's just another 250 hard drive. I haven't upgraded it. I'm just replacing it with the same size that was already in there. So I need to reattach the clip. So from now on it's pretty much just reverse steps of what I've just done. Place the hard drive back inside. Attach the SATA and power cables to it first. And then clip it back into place. That's it. And then I'll replace the cables that were taped to the top of it. Okay, so that's the hard drive replaced. And now lower the screen down and plug the cables back in, making sure I plug them back into the correct ones. Cables are plugged in and the screen's plugged. Now it seems to be back in place. Time to replace all the screws. That's all the screen replaced. It's time to replace the front. Clip it on at the bottom first, and then plug in the eyesight camera again. Actually, I'll plug in that first. Doesn't seem to want to go. That was a little bit tricky, but we got in there. Put the bottom back on. All the wires are out of the way. Here's the screen back. Start replacing all the screws in this. And then I need to give the screen another clean before I replace the glass cover. Pretty sure something will find its way back in there. I'll give the inside of the cover screen a wipe as well, make sure there's nothing in there. And then pop this back into its magnets. Okay, so that's the screen back on. And there's my Mac all back together.